So I am hiking 3 different trails today here in Turkey Run in Parklands of Floyds Fork. The first one is called the Pawpaw Trail. So far a relatively easy hike. Most of the trails on the park map are pretty short, 1.5 or 2 miles, but this section, the Pawpaw Trail, the Chinkapin Trail, and a few other trails nearby, you can join them together, you know, and I'm going to piece together about 7 miles of hiking today. So it's 11 o'clock. It's a little bit above freezing. I think this is one of the last few days that we'll have solid snow on the ground out here, and then everything's going to start to melt. I've never been out here before. First impressions are it's a pretty easy trail, well marked, well established. A lot of younger evergreen trees so far. I think there's some older growth later on down the trail. So far a pretty nice trail. Just now coming to the first trail junction. We're going to go left here onto the Chinkapin Trail, 2.2 miles right here, and then pick back up the Hickory Trail, do that loop, and then that will come back to the end of the Pawpaw Trail and take that all the way back for about 7.2 miles total. So this is where the winter hiking in the snow can start to get a little tricky. Come to a 4-way junction here. So I've crossed over, I finished the Chinkapin Trail, 2.2 miles, and I'm crossing over the intersection of the Pawpaw Trail, the Hickory Trail. I'm gonna pick up the Hickory Trail. It doesn't look like there are very many tracks on here, so I'll have to keep my eyes peeled for the trail and for trail markers. Looks like we're going up. This looks like the top of the Hickory Trail, as high as you can go up here. There's a creek way down below, along that trail junction I just walked through. But I noticed this really cool old ladder up in this tree. This looks like it's been here for ages. Fortunately, the bottom 10 feet are chopped off of it so that no one tries to climb it. But my guess is this is a before this became public parks, this was, you know, private property up until about a decade ago. So my guess is this is someone's old tree stand tree. Climb up here, do some deer hunting in the winter. Seen a lot of deer activity, so this would be a good spot to do it. Pretty cool to see this old tree. This old ladder stand going up a tree. I'm not sure I would be brave enough to climb up this. While I'm definitely ready for the end of winter, some warmer weather, some more fishing opportunities, things like that, other ways to get outside. Hiking in the snow and ice has been pretty fun, but for now I'm ready for everything to thaw out, ready for spring.